Whether you're a new player or a seasoned veteran, leveling up your roleplay skills can take your game to the next level. Know your character. This goes beyond the numbers on your character sheet. You want to dig into their backstory, personality traits, flaws, and motivations. Think about the questions. What drives your character? What do they want more than anything? What are the biggest fears or weaknesses? How do they see the world around them? Are they optimistic? Cynical? Or something in between? When you know your character's backstory, it's easy to act authentic to your character's reactions. It doesn't have to be super detailed, it just gives a sense of who they are. Use your voice and body language. Now, I'm not saying you need to be a professional actor, but small changes in how you speak can bring the character to life. A unique accent, tone or speech pattern? Are they gruff and straightforward? Or do they speak in ribbles? Or do they speak in ribbons? Or do they speak in ribbles with a noble flair? I will not stand for it, I tell you. Oh, don't mind me. I'm nobody. You know, it's a bit of voice, it's a bit of stance. Even at the table, how you sit or gesture can reflect your character's mood. A confident warrior might sit back with his arms folded, while a nervous rogue might fidget and avoid eye contact. These little details add depth to your role-playing. Stay in the moment. This means reacting to what's happening in the game world as your character. If the party stumbles into a trap, how does your character react? You can do the, oh my god, you know, play it out a bit. What do they feel about this? Try to focus on your character's perspective, not just what's most strategic. Role-playing is about storytelling and immersion. Maybe your character makes a choice that's not optimal for the situation, but that does suit their personality type. That can be where the magic happens. Interact with the other characters. This goes for your fellow players and the NPCs in the world. I put NPCs in there so that they can talk to you. You can talk to them. D&D doesn't just have to be swinging swords. It's about relationships and character growth. Have you thought about engaging with your party members in character? Whether it's banter around the campfire or a heartfelt conversation after a tough battle. These moments create strong bonds and make the story feel real. Don't be afraid to ask the other players about their characters. Challenge them or disagree with them, but keep it respectful. Embrace imperfection. Not every roleplay moment has to be flawless or even dramatic. You can stumble off over your words or make decisions that feel off in hindsight. Role-playing is about exploring your character, not giving the perfect performance. Lean into any funny moments and let them build your character. The imperfections can make your role-playing even better and more memorable. Communicate out of character. Role-playing can bring up intense moments, both fun and emotional. It's important to check with your fellow players and DM. Make sure everyone's comfortable with things. It's collaborative. You're part of a group here. If someone's doing something that makes you feel uncomfortable, flag it up. Meanwhile, they can flag up if you're making them feel uncomfortable. So my top tips: know your character, use your voice and body language, stay in the moment, interact with the other characters, embrace the imperfections, and communicate out of character. So I hope you can now bring your characters to life and make some unforgettable moments. So YouTube thinks you'll like this video next. Maybe check it out.